Priya, Customer Success Manager here at Hutsix, and in this new series I'm going to share with you ways you can improve the delivery of your security awareness program. For today's recipe, we're looking at how to perfect your learning management metrics by maintaining accurate metrics. The super user in your organisation is the individual who manages the information security training initiative. This individual has access to all the administrative functions in your instance on the Hutsix platform. The ingredients you need are an updated user list, a super user, a definitive user group and cross-department help. Here's one I did earlier. Security awareness campaigns can only be successful and informative if they're monitored. Keeping the learning management system updated with the current list of users gives you visibility on the real-world uptake of the training. Liaise with your HR department to get updated user lists on a regular basis. Any user that's left your organisation can be deleted, and users that are on long-term sick leave can temporarily be disabled and re-enabled when they return to your organisation. This makes sure that you're efficiently using your licence limit. If you want to skip this step, you are able to integrate activedirectory that'll maintain an up-to-date list for you. Ensuring that the super user regularly checks the learning management system to identify any discrepancies in the metrics to keep them accurate and up to date. Splitting your users into definitive groups that best match the areas of risk that you're looking to manage. Consider providing different security topics to different groups. If applicable, involve managers from different departments in your organisation to help the super user update the learning management system, as well as driving adoption and support for the campaign across the organisation. Monitor your learning management system monthly to ensure that you get an accurate representation of your organisation's metrics. Use this time to identify users that are falling behind in the training. Your most recent metrics should also inform you of your training strategy and help inform the next topics in your campaign. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Comment below on what you might like to see next. Bye! Yeah.